Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Attorney Dan. Today, I want to talk about trademarks and examples of acceptable specimens for service-based marks. Now, if you are preparing an application or have been rejected because the specimen that you provided was not acceptable for your service-based business or service-based mark, here's the website from the United States Patent and Trademark Office manual for examining procedure to see some examples on what are acceptable specimens for service-based marks. Now, if you are, say, screenshotting a website, you do need to provide the URL and the date you accessed it. So I'm just going to go through some of these examples. I'm going to put the link in the in the notes so you can access this to see and you can see here their reasoning why some of these are acceptable and not acceptable. So this first one here is actually for um, SaaS services. Okay, and what they did here, so it shows you as an example is, hey, Specimen describes a screenshot website and appears to be advertising. Mark is displayed near the top of the page. Color font, shows above front, and services are referenced in the following statements. All right, see what they do here. So direct mark is present because mark is used in connection with services in textual statements describing services and placed immediately above explicit textual reference in services. So in this particular case, it's very important that the mark that you are applying for is closely connected or explicitly is connected to the services that you're providing. That's the reasoning here, okay? And so um, this one here, this is they submitted this one, which was rejected, and then they submitted a new one, the applicant, and this is their analysis. Again, it's a platform as a service, okay? It's class 42. And what they said about the original one was a website offering purchase, download as parse software. The substitute Spence describes website advertising. And then the new one they submitted, because it was initially rejected, it was the mark present a large font on the website and the screen of the electronic device. Okay, right there and right there. Okay, the original specimen was refused because the specimen's description used mark was software goods rather than platform as a service. And so this is the distinction, right? You have to be used in conjunction with whatever you're applying for. So what they said here is apply for software goods rather than platform as a service. So the substitute, which was this one, is acceptable because the word mobile platform after developers and add powerful, scalable back in minutes describes the nature of the services, and then manage your apps indicating services access by clicking on the button. So this is the reasoning here. Because it's customary to display service marks near the top on which is advertised or through their access. Here, the mark is in close proximity to explicit textual references and services. Manager apps, thus creating the service mark button. Okay, so this is so I just went through two of them. If you are like trying to figure out how to prepare yours or trying to respond to the trademark office uh, office action because your specimen was rejected, take a look at this, and you can try to model your response, your application based on these. Now, of course, your specimens do have to be in use as there's some date requirements, so make sure you follow those particular times. Now, if you go through all this and you're still stuck, um, reach out to us and we'll see how we can help you get your application through. Okay, this is Attorney Dan talking about trademarks and applications and specimens for service based or service marks, and we'll talk soon. Bye.